don't speak. Yeah.
Oh, I can.
Today on the Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy mushroom pasta. I am so excited to be teaming up with Almond Breeze, who's sponsoring this video, because they are the first almond beverage I ever used even before I went vegan. We literally have cases of the unsweetened original in the office because we go through so many cartons a week. When I met James, he was already drinking Almond Breeze and he wasn't even vegan at the time. So many of our friends are switching over because it has no cholesterol and no saturated fat. And it's easy to find in the fridge and on the shelf at your local grocery store. I'm completely addicted to the creamy texture and delicious flavor. It's smooth enough to drink on its own or blend it up in a smoothie, but you can also cook and bake with it. A lot of people don't realize this. So today, we're going to cook with it. This creamy pasta is a dream for mushroom lovers out there like me. It's quick and easy, making it the perfect weeknight meal, but also feels fancy and decadent at the same time. All right, guys, let's get cooking. The first thing we are going to do is bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, and then we are going to cook our pasta. You can use any type of pasta that you have on hand. I chose penne, but I also like spirals and spaghetti for this. Really, any type of pasta is just good. I like pasta. While the pasta is cooking, we are going to prepare our sauce. Yay, sauce! The best part of any meal. To do that, we are going to heat up a 1/4 cup of olive oil or vegan butter in a large pan. To that, we are going to add 2/3 of a cup of chopped shallots, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and we are going to cook that, stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes. To this pan, I'm now going to add 8 cups of mixed mushrooms. I used a combination of cremini, chanterelle. Who's Chantel? This is the cannibalism show. And shiitake. And we are also going to add to that 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix that all together, cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low until the mushrooms are soft, tender, and slightly browned. Now we are going to sprinkle 4 tablespoons of flour all over our mushrooms. This is what's really going to create a nice, thick sauce when using almond beverage. Coat the mushrooms in the flour completely and let that cook for about 1 minute. Now we are going to add 1 cup of almond beverage. I used Blue Diamond's unsweetened original for this. Mix the almond beverage with the mushrooms until there are no clumps left in the flour. Once your sauce is smooth and slightly thickened, we are going to add 2 additional cups of almond beverage and pepper to taste. Stir that constantly until you get a nice, smooth, and thick sauce. You want to cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's thickened. Blue Diamond Growers was founded in 1910 in Sacramento, California, and they are actually the world's largest almond brand. Guys, I know this is a sponsored video, but I had so much fun working with Blue Diamond and the guys over at Almond Breeze. They flew me out there. I got to see a factory tour. I got to see an orchard tour. Did you know that almonds actually grow on trees and they have beautiful blossoms, and the blossoms turn into the almond, and it's amazing. And the people that I met were so warm, and they actually took us to a basketball game as well. That was really great. I did definitely get to feel the kind of like family atmosphere and how they run their business, and I'm just very, very grateful to them. So yeah, thanks Blue Diamond. You can find out everything that I learned by watching my What I Ate in a Day video from this week. I'll link it in the description box below. Once you have a thick and creamy sauce, we are going to add a nutritional yeast or vegan parm if you have that on hand, as well as 2 cups of peas. Mix that until it's well combined. Season your sauce with salt and pepper to taste, and then we are going to add that to our drained noodles. Mix to combine. Make sure every single noodle is covered in that beautiful sauce. That got weird. Garnish with 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and serve it like that, or add some additional vegan parm if you have some on hand, and your guests will be drooling at the smell that this creates in your kitchen. I promise, it's so quick, it's so easy, and it's so delicious. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. I want lots and lots of mushrooms because they are my favorite vegetable, even though they're not a vegetable. It's like a little bit sweet from the peas. The sauce is so creamy. The mushrooms are so good. Yeah, you should definitely make this. And there you have it, a quick and speedy 30-minute dinner using Almond Breeze and other simple ingredients that you likely already have on hand. And this is just one of the many ways to cook with Almond Breeze. I want to know how you guys are cooking with Almond Breeze in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please take the time to spit all over everything. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on delicious vegan recipes every single week. And check out the link in the description box below to learn more about Almond Breeze and all of the amazing products from Blue Diamond. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'm old now, remember? We talked about this.